Hi everybody, and welcome back to Smart Home Improvement People today. So today I thought I'd speak about something that gets asked quite a lot, which is, do you need planning permission if you're changing the roof on your conservatory? Okay, so a lot of people like to change their roofs because normally when people buy conservatories, they will normally get a polycarbonate roof to save money, or get a glass roof, because obviously a tiled roof can be quite expensive. But after having one for a while, people think, I'd like a better roof, to be honest. So they look at investing and getting a new one. And the main reason is because they want to be able to use it all year round, because as the old pitch used to be when I used to knock on doors and everything, gets too hot during the summer, gets too cold in the winter. I remember my mum's old lean-to conservatory when I used to live at her house a few years ago. I tell you what, it was an absolute oven in her lean-to conservatory, and she had a polycarbonate roof. You know, I couldn't stand in it for more than maybe a couple of minutes during the summer, because she had a south-facing roof, and it literally was like an absolute sauna. And I don't like the sun at the best of times, so the reality is that roof had to go at the end of the day. So there's a simple answer, because like with conservatories, it gets done under the permitted work rules. Okay, so if you've got a polycarbonate roof or glass roof, and you're planning on having another polycarbonate roof or glass roof, 9 times out of 10, you will not need any planning permission. Okay, because it's done under permitted rules. Now, the case is, if you're getting a tiled roof, okay, you probably are going to need planning permission, because you're basically changing the aspects of your actual house. It's considered as, whether you want to, a lot of people say you're not, but you are, okay, as the rules go. So if you do have a conservatory and you want to get a tiled roof, you are going to have to get in touch with your local council, okay, and look into getting planning permission for it. So before you go ahead and actually purchasing or ordering one, what I would personally advise you to do is get in touch with your local council, tell them what you're looking at doing, okay, and then they can give you more personal advice on the way to go forward. Okay, some home improvement companies, if you're using a home improvement company, they will also help you with that as well. So as a general rule, yes, you will need, if you've currently got a glass or polycarbonate roof and you're looking to upgrade to a tiled roof. So I hope that helps everybody out. But for now, thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, if you could please subscribe, and if you've enjoyed the video and it's helped you out a little bit, please do like and share as well. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll speak to you again a bit later.